Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 and today I would like to show you how you can minimize its screen. All you need to do is swipe down from the button of your screen in order to minimize it. So when I do that, as you can see, my screen is now much smaller. In order to go back to the standard size, you can just wait a sec, click on this dark area, or simply swipe up. You can do exactly the same after entering one of your apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!